Hi, this tutorial will walk you through the steps of using Heritage Quest. Heritage Quest is an online resource for genealogical information, census information, and family histories. So let's take a look. We'll start by clicking on Databases here, and then H for Heritage Quest, and click Go to Visit. And at this point, you'll need your 14-digit library barcode, and input that here, and this will bring you to Heritage Quest. Let's do a sample search. There's a lot of things you can use in here, but for example, today I'm going to do a 1930s census record for Joseph Spataro, who was a mayor of this town. He lived to be 100 years old. He just passed away a year or so ago. But let's take a look at the census for him. Okay, and then we'll say any event in South Brunswick, Middlesex County, and then click on search. And there it is. This is actually his father's record from 1930. So if you look at the record, you can click on it and see the actual digitized census record. And here he is, right here. He's the son, and he was born in about 1917. So there's an example of what you can access with Heritage Quest. There's much more. It's a great resource to use, and it's free with your library barcode. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.